Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front.
Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to clean out this nasty, disgusting, whatever you want to call this, rice rocket, toilet trash, I don't know. Anyways, we're going to clean it out and see what we actually have to work with. See if the interior is totally trashed or usable. I use it either way though. So yeah. So I haven't found anything too awful disgusting in here. We've got the owner's manuals, we've got a pen, some napkins, some sunglasses. Oh sweet, come with a free cotton candy air freshener, we're using that. Screwdriver. A little knife thing. Some fuse covers. That's usually a good sign. Whatever that thing is. Another pin. And that's pretty much it. Oh no, that smells pretty good too. Alright guys, so since the RX8 runs like absolute trash and it's extremely slow and maybe like half power. Yeah, I know that could be the Apex seals, but this is a budget build and we're really hoping that it's not. So I honestly think that the catalytic converter is clogged up. So we're going to cut the cat out, replace it with a straight pipe, and then we're going to check the air box and make sure it's not clogged up either, and see if we can get this thing to breathe a little bit better. And of course, since we are car guys, it has to be revved while the cat is off. Like you just can't not do that. So stay tuned for that. I guess we're going to go ahead and cut this out now. Using a angle grinder with a cutoff wheel. Make sure you always wear some gloves and eye protection, ear protection. There's a shit ton of sparks and you don't want to hit yourself in the eyeballs with that. It doesn't feel very good. I think we just wasted some time and materials because somebody's already gutted this motherfucking cat. Like, I guess we're out of luck there. The thing is, it had an O2 sensor and the O2 sensor wasn't hooked up anywhere and there's nowhere to even plug it in. But we're definitely still going to get a startup, but there's literally nothing in this pipe. Let's shine a light from the back, see if they can see it a little bit better. There's literally nothing in it at all. Like, I had an RX8 before, and this is not what the cat looked like. It was quite a bit different. It was a little bit skinnier, had some heat shields around it, and I ended up selling that thing to the junkyard for like 80 bucks. But I was hoping we was going to get some money back on this car for the rest of the build and make it run a little bit better. But somebody's already took care of that. Fuck.
Okay, so that was awesome, but we checked the air filter, and as you can see, it's pretty freaking disgusting.
Fuck.
Now this car does have a screen before the mass airflow sensor. So I think I'm just going to clean out this box and then run it with no air filter until I get an aftermarket air filter, since I'm not actually driving this car on the road every day. Well, actually I'm not driving it at all yet. Well, I did drive it once.
Just once.
Just once.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It didn't shoot fireballs then, though.
No, it's way cooler now though. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out and put it back.
Here's your problem.
Yeah, that's the, oh, well, okay. Yeah, we don't have to use that anyways. It's fine. I was gonna throw it away, I guess. So here's the cat, and then here's the resonator. We're gonna use this piece, and we're not gonna use that piece. We're not gonna use that piece, but we will use this flange so that we can still take it apart if we ever need to. And I'll reuse the stock flange that was on there. It's still on the car, but we're going to basically copy this, except with straight pieces of pipe, and should sound pretty cool, but not too loud because I don't want to get a ticket. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and lay this down, and Tyler's going to get some welding practice. I'm going to show him how to weld just a little bit, and should be a pretty good time. Ricola! What the fuck, bro? Guys, do not try this at home. Yep. Now. Yep. Nice. Sweet. Perfect. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but that's a pretty good first beginner weld.
It's the first time I've ever picked up a welder.
Not like they can really see much on that, but
Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you all next video.